Welcome to a quick tutorial of how to cut out multiple audio clips out of a single long audio file. We'll be using Audacity, which is free and is available on Mac and PC and Linux. And we'll be using a track by Ruiner, which comes out on Desert Records June 9th, 2023. And it's a single long 80-minute solo Doom project. And we'll be taking 30-second clips out of it to use for social media promotion and for previews. When you start Audacity, you end up with this blank window. And what I like to do is go ahead and drag in the track I want to work with. And we're going to cut out 30-second clips out of this. Obviously, you can pick whatever length you want. I like to make sure my snap is on to seconds, and I'll zoom in to a point to where I can see the 30-second markers. So in this case, let's say I want to pick from 6 minutes over to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And I can see where I'm at looking at the selection below. You can also type in your selection. So if you want to be more specific, you can do 15 on one side and let's say 45 on the other side to get your time in. Now you can select wherever you want. Maybe you want to be a little more granular, but that's up to you. Now to export this single clip, you can go to File, Export, Export Selected Audio. And that will allow you to export that single clip, and you can name it or save it wherever you want. But if you want to do multiple files and multiple clips out of this single long audio file, you can use what's called labels, and then we'll export all the labels at once. So in order to add a label, you can go to Edit, Labels, Add Label at Selection, or hit Control B. And that will bring up this clip selection with the label that you can add. So we'll call this clip 1, let's say. You can be descriptive if you want to name these specific things or just have them in order, however you want to do that. So that's up to you. So in order to do the next clip, we can select another section, let's say over here somewhere, and I'll use this button to zoom in on that clip specifically. And let's just say I want this 32:15 to 32:45. Well, then I can do Control B, add the next clip, clip 2, let's say. And then let's go ahead and do one more. Let's do one over here. We'll just say I just like this section and not really worry about how long it is. Okay, and Control B to add another clip there. So we'll add clip 3 right here. So now to export these, you can go to File, Export, Export Multiple. And then now it'll export all these in one shot. So you can select where you want them to be, the file type you want it to be, and you want to do split files based on labels, and then you can pick how you want them to be named. So using the label track name, what it'll do is just put like clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. You can have it number beforehand, so it'll be 01-clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. Or you can put a prefix in front of it. Let's say we just wanted to do Ruiner, and it'll do Ruiner 01, 02, 03. So you might want to experiment with this and see which works better for you. In my particular case, I'm going to do a number before the label. So it'll be 01-clip 1, 01-clip 2. And I'll go ahead and click Export. It gives me the option to enter the metadata for the MP3s. Since we're doing this for social media and they don't show up anyway, I don't bother with this. And you can click this to have this never bother you again, but we'll leave it up because sometimes I want to do that. So I can click OK for all 3. And as you can see, now it's created my 3 clips, and each one of these clips will be the little piece that I wanted. Right, in order to check these, we can do a quick listen. And yeah, just to confirm that they are the files I wanted. So that's it. That's how to do multiple clips in Audacity. Have fun.